Now a state of emergency in place for Anderson County after a big increase in coronavirus cases. It'll put a halt to any county-sponsored events and in-person meetings for the next 61 days. 7 News' Asia Wilson has that story.
Things like the Anderson County Council meeting, which is typically held in this particular space, will be a part of that halt. I'm told they want to create safer environments for everyone and not create more spaces for COVID-19 to spread.
According to the Constitution.
As Anderson County Council members new and old are sworn in.
And that I will.
The county has also announced a state of emergency that will suspend county-sponsored events and meetings for 61 days.
The COVID numbers in Anderson County are skyrocketing, and the purpose of the ordinance is to curtail the number of public meetings. Really, the council would only like the council to meet, and that would be only as necessary.
Hospitals within Anderson County have been stretched thin and near capacity. And after the holidays, they expect an even greater number of positive cases, which is one reason the emergency ordinance is in place.
This is not intended as a mask ordinance. That's not on the table. But really, just to cut down on the number of meetings that our various boards and commissions have, like the Planning Commission, Human Rights Advisory Council, any outside meetings we have, and economic development.
After 30 days, council will gauge the effect of the ordinance to see if it's still needed. Anderson County leaders also say services will not stop and county council will still continue to function. Things will just look different.
Anderson County is not shut down one day due to COVID, but we may be doing some different ways of operating but not lose any momentum or speed.
Until everything is under control again.
It's getting to be a very critical situation, and people should be aware of it. This is not a myth. It's not going away. It's real.
Now, Anderson County Administrator Rusty Burns says in 30 days they will look at the effectiveness of this ordinance and review what will happen next. I'm also told if anyone has any projects or anything they want to talk to the county about, they could do so by phone. In Anderson County, Asia Wilson, 7 News.
Anderson County is partnering with ANMED to give 300 doses of COVID vaccines to EMTs and paramedics this week. We're told they'll get more doses by the end of this month.